Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we got a guy that is gonna get a face tattoo if Tesla finishes above 2,500 tomorrow. So we already know, be looking out for that. He's gonna look like Mike Tyson. It's gonna be sick. And here we have the best daily losses on Wall Street bets. And yeah, down in Q Dale, and he's given up. And yeah, not sure how these people are losing. I just don't understand. Stocks are going straight up, and then we got these are the gains. So plenty of people making money. Hold Tesla. Uh-oh, that's not good. You see Tesla gain porn, we know what happens. People are getting a Lambo from Tesla. Okay, here we go. That's awesome. Congratulations. Anybody who caught the move and is still in, and also 420% gain since the start of 2020. Let's go, Elon. Let's go, Tesla holders. Crushing it like we knew they would. And so, yeah, then we have Elon confirming it is a Russian hacking plot on the news we brought to you guys yesterday. So, pretty crazy stuff. They want what he's got, and I don't blame him. I mean, look at the gains. And then we have Tesla trending up, straight up. So, people are looking for Tesla. Is it the stock? Is it the car? Is it both? Wouldn't surprise me either way. And then right here, we're looking at Tesla had a big pump after hours, 2.6%. And we'll get into kind of what happened and, yeah, kind of look into the charts later. And then the fear and greed is at a 76, and we've been watching this thing go straight up. So does it get to resistance down here at 100, or are we running into resistance? We'll be tracking this going forward. And then, so looking at the chart of Tesla right here on the daily, you can see that Tesla is getting pretty overextended above the 200-day moving average. And that is this white line right here. And as you can see, we're 175% above it if you take it from the moving average. So we hit 211% last time when we blew the top off. So I do think this is potentially about to blow the top off today since it is the end of the week. Maybe we get some selling. Not real sure about that. We're going to have to go back and look into the charts better. But if we did extend this target up to 211%, that would put us at 2618. And if you've been sticking with me, there is a target at 2600. And I did a video on it. It's 2660 is the target. And that is off of this measured move right here. So back in this pattern right here, we had a measured move off of this guy, and from the low of it to the top, and we'll see here, that was a high of 968, so we'll go to 968, 176% up. And then if you took 176% from 968, where would that put us? Okay, so right in line with the 2660 area. You know, nothing's exact, but if we look at the Fibonacci's from high to low, and I'll do it real quick for you guys. There is one that lines up with the 2660, and I do think it's appropriate to talk about that because if it does keep going, that's really the only major fib anywhere close. And we already got an alert there. It's 2678. And then from where we are in pre-market, that would be another 15% pump in Tesla. But that would also get us very extended above our 21-day moving average at 40%. But it is going to work its up over time. So yeah, not really to be concerned there. And then we will jump into the momentum oscillators. So looking at the daily, we are still getting up there, but the red is really nothing to be concerned because we got red right here, still have more to go. But could we see a little hitch in the giddy up sideways move here? Uh, you know, we'll have to see on the lower time frames. And also, again, the weekly is what really done it for me last week when this came in on the 17th, when these guys acted as support and bounced Tesla. We got pretty bullish, and we haven't really had a signal like that since back here, basically the bottom. Not saying we're still at the bottom, just saying that last time we had that happened. And so let's hop down to the 12-hour. Everything's fine, as long as the 12-hour is in, everything will be bullish. So yeah, nothing to be shook about there. But you can see we have pumped it a fair amount off the signal given. So we take it from there to where we are. Let's say, here. Wow, what an impressive rally. So that would be 56% gains to right here. So I don't know about you guys, but a 56% gainer in a trade is going to be hard not to take profits on that. But until it comes in, it's not a top, and there's nothing really to say about it there. Just more continuation. And I also want to look at Bollinger Bands later on, but I'm going to show you this stuff first. Okay, so if we hop down to the lower time frames, we'll get a more zoomed in look. And the 6-hour is putting in a little bit of bearish divergence right here. Or not on this oscillator, but the RSI, it could be coming in if it rolled down right here. But because it's up pre-market, this guy should shoot up when the market opens. And then looking at the 4-hour, the MACD bounced as support, so that caught that little hitch right there. But also, we said the 1-hour was kind of running things, and this is the only thing kind of troubling to me, was the 1-hour acted as resistance right here. So if it does roll over here, could be cause of concern just off the 1-hour momentum, and also a potential head and shoulders forming right here on RSI. And then we also have this line coming down now. So if it does get hung up here, that would line up with a small pullback, but just going with the trend probably gets bought up. And then, so yeah, the 30-minute MACD crossing down, but yeah, not real sure about the lower time frames, but as long as the 1-hour is still showing loss of momentum, we'll be in trouble. Just as you can see, the 1-hour's just been more or less running things on the lower time frames. And then, so checking out the Bollinger Bands, I want to check out the daily on this. And so as you can see, we're expanding on the Bollinger Bands. And as long as it's stuck up on this band, it's going to be bullish, just like it was here. But if we get super far extended away from it, and it does blow it off today, we'll just have to keep an eye out for that and make sure it doesn't get too far overextended. And then, sorry guys, I went too far. Let me go back here. Okay, so, and then also on the weekly time frame, it put in a hammer dildo at the weekly Bollinger Bands, acting as support. And that is coming in at, let's see here, 2069, as you can see over here. So as long as it's above 2069, it will be bouncing the weekly Bollinger Band. And last time you got a signal like that was kind of right here at this doji. Boom, one more push. So not saying we only got one more push left, but we also, you can see here, we pushed it and then pushed it one more candle, then came down. So if we pushed it and then push it again, we could be in this step of the rally, and then two more candles. So could this go on for 2 or 3 more weeks? Very likely, with the hype coming with Battery Day and the Neuralink presentation. And so we'll hop on down to the lower time frames. Check out this Bollinger Band. And So yeah, dude, as long as we're, or gals, if we're trending along the Bollinger Band on the 6 hour, just like we were here, everything's glory days until you have your big blow off top and then cause for concern, just like right here, right here, right here. So, with all that said, sorry, I don't want to show you that. Hold up. Okay, so looking at our support resistance lines, if you're still with me, congratulations, you're the real one. And like and subscribe if you like the daily content. And we will jump into our support resistance lines. So we were saying 2166 could be the support resistance line. And what do you know? We bounced it. And if we go down to the super low time frames, you can really see how it interacted with price right here. So actually, yeah, let's remove indicators. Okay, so bounced it right to the T on 2141. And this is too far zoomed in. We gotta go back to 3 minute. Okay, so looking at the 3 minute, you can see we came in right here, bounced the line 2141, got caught up in the Fibonacci at 2218, and the next one 2263. So we blew through it pre-market. So really nothing to look at there. And then if we go to the higher time frames, we can add in some more support resistance because we got some new candles. And so this guy looks like it could be your first sign of bearishness in Tesla if it broke past these two levels I just put on. So we're looking at that. That's 2301. And then also, if we're looking at this pattern right here, we can do something like this. Okay, so we have what looks like a bull flag since we know it already broke. So we can take off the magnet and get a measured move off of this, and that's 7% from the breakout point. Where does 7% put us? Right at 2410. So if we did have another move up, could go to 2210, but also be looking for this 2350 region to act as a pivot point going forward. And then that being said, if the 1 hour rolls over into the 2 hour, 3 hour at any of these targets, we could be in trouble. But anyway, guys, I'll leave you off with that. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.